what's up, guys? We're gonna try to do the maiden flight of the Viggan. I'm very nervous, guys. I never flew this type of style plane, honestly. Other than that, guys, wish me luck, please. I really just want to get this maiden out for you guys. There's been a lot of requests for this. Get a little bit of up trim. All right. Wish me luck, guys. I don't know if I did something wrong, guys. Let's go check it out. Brakes. Beautiful, guys. That was a very sketchy maiden, guys, honestly. I want to figure out why was it doing that. If anybody could please tell me, fill me in. I honestly have the rates at 100. She honestly, everything works perfectly. See, everything works perfectly with no problem. If you guys think you know what it is, please leave a comment down below. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching.